take a moment to find a really easy, comfortable sitting position. So I'm going to take you through an exercise you can use as often as you want to. So this specifically is for empaths, because empaths can really walk down the path of exhaustion very quickly if they're not protecting their own energy field. The divine has intended for us to be a clear channel of love and light. And we want to be, because that makes us happy, joyful. We love being that clear channel of love and light and connect. So this needs to be a commitment and a dedication, that if you really want to feel your best and expand your light and really allow that love and that flow and that juiciness that we feel when that's happening, you have to respect that. It's sacred and it's precious, and just like something really beautiful that needs cleaning on a regular basis, so do you, so does your energy, because it's an exchange of energy. That's what's happening, and we love that exchange of energy. So you've got to respect energy, you've got to heal energy, you've got to clean your energy, keep it fed, keep it nourished, keep it blooming. We can't let our energy die. If our energy becomes depleted and starts to die, we lose ourselves. And that is the nightmare, that is the hell for an empath, losing their light. And it happens to so many people, so many empaths lose their light. So this exercise is going to be a daily practice, or at least 3 times a week, to clean out your energy field. Okay, so nice comfortable position, drop the shoulders back, and you can just either cup the hands or place the hands onto the thighs. So ideally sitting on the floor so you're grounded to the earth, or sitting on a chair, chin parallel to the floor, jaws nice and relaxed. So just loosen it a little. Close the eyes. And I want you just to start with taking a nice deep breath. And again, nice deep inhaling breath. Exhale through the mouth. Good. Continue inhaling through the nose. Exhaling any dark clouds out of your mouth. We're going to start to slow the breath down a little and allow the inhaling breath to go nice and deep into the belly, so the belly balloons and expands. Exhaling dark clouds, leaving your mouth, leaving your energy field. Good. And then allow the body to become as still as you can. Try not to move the body at all for the next 10 minutes. And I want you to open up the crown gateway. So imagine at the top of the head there's a funnel. We're opening up this funnel and visualizing a stream of brilliant white light showering down through this funnel into the top of your head, in through the scalp, into the brain, into the neurons, the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks, and allow this waterfall of brilliant white light to start to trickle down, down, down into the shoulders. Feel the shoulders soften and sink back. Forearms, keep trickling. This energy, this waterfall of energy is starting to become stronger and stronger, more and more powerful. See this brilliant white light force out any stagnation, any dark grey clouds that are polluting your energy field, your mental, emotional, physical, spiritual bodies, sinking down, 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 out through the base, out through the feet, being recycled by Mother Earth. Stay connected to this flow, brilliant white light, shower pouring down. It's getting more and more powerful. The more powerful this light becomes, the more space within your physical body. No stagnated energy can remain. We're opening up to our creative flow. Any feelings of tiredness, heaviness, exhaustion, leaving the body now, shedding these skins, shedding these layers, penetrating deep into the cellular body, the tissues, the muscles. Any heaviness, feel it now. Feel the heaviness in your body. Feel the exhaustion in your mind. Allow it to rise up. Exhale, stream, consciousness shower of light, blasting through these blocks. Any boulders clearing. And feel this lightness of a feather. Lightness of a feather. Feel your energy lifting, rising. And feel your energy starting to float. Becoming more and more subtle. Density sinking down into the earth. You're becoming more and more rested in your subtle body. Take a moment to stay and feel this subtle energy, lightness of a feather, like a mist or a pure white fluffy cloud. Feel this cloud around you, and know you're protected by this fluffy white cloud. You are this white cloud. Breathing in, the cloud expands and contracts. Inhale, the cloud expands. Exhale, the cloud contracts. So feel the movement of energy. You're not having to try at all. Effortless. And the shower of light is still flowing. And you can either speed the energy and the flow, make it stronger, make it slower. You can bring it to trickling. So just take a moment to notice how it feels when there's a pouring of brilliant white light showering through your physical body, sweeping, gush of energy, pulling out toxins. And notice what happens when you direct this energy flow to be more subtle, to just trickle into your body at a slow space, slow pace, into every part of the body, one step at a time, pouring through the body. And then just take a moment to rest at the speed that feels right for you to receive this light now. So we're coming into a balance of flow. So we're not forcing the light through. We've not stopped. We've not become stagnant. Just finding the balance of this flow, this white light. And for the last minute, nothing for us to do. We're just going to allow ourselves to be topped up by source light, clearing out any emotions we've taken on that don't belong to us throughout the day, the week. Any emotions from our ancestors, our ancestral line, our past lives. Any emotions we're accumulating in the current moment from karma we're still playing out. Letting these emotions release. Feel them releasing, a bit like a balloon starting to shrink back down. It doesn't have to feel so stretched and full in our energy field. Just creating some space to allow some of that pressure to come out of that balloon. And coming back to your own energy, your own inner child, to be there fully for your own emotions. We're practicing just holding space for ourselves. Good, and when you're ready, blinking the eyes open, we're just going to seal our energy field. So as you inhale, you're going to cross the arms at the wrists. As you exhale, draw the energy across the heart chakra and down to the earth. Inhale. 3 more. Good. Hands to prayer and affirming it's safe for me to stop at any time and take a few breaths. I don't have to just keep going. Namaste.